your pato, big guy. Find another foxhole.
Hi, Jay, I'm going to miss you.
It's one night.
No, I don't want to be without you, not even one night in my whole life. What can I make you?
How about a little room on my side of the bed? I mean, I shouldn't complain. My wife's a knockout, but she's at that place in her pregnancy where she's, ample. And the snoring. I swear, in the last ultrasound, the baby was like this. So I should be home about noon tomorrow.
You drank all the coffee?
Oh, I had quite a bit of that. I haven't been sleeping too well. There's actually a funny story about what's causing that.
Mom, I'm fully aware of the changes your body is going through, and that nasal stuffiness is very common during pregnancy. But we got a crisis in this house. You've been snoring, but I got you these nasal strips. In the commercial, the old man's angry red sound waves turn to gentle blue.
So I'm like an old man?
No!
Like a dog then? A pig? What is it, Manny? I'm an old man, a dog, or a pig?
Jay, help me out here. You've heard it.
I don't know what the boy's talking about. If this is a glimpse of teenage Manny, I don't love it. Have a little respect for your beautiful mother.
Thank you, Jay.
You're right. Sorry, Mom. And Jay, have a great trip to San Francisco.
Hey, Dad. How's Frisco?
My meetings ended early. I didn't even have to spend the night. And don't say Frisco. They hate it when you call it Frisco.
How do you know what they hate? You've been there 2 times in your life.
Anyway, I haven't slept in a week. Gloria's snoring like a water buffalo.
Oh, well, she's pregnant. It's uncomfortable. Would she put on 15, 20, 25, 30?
We're not doing this again. How do I bring it up?
Well, for starters, you don't. You suck it up. Dad, your hot wife, who was learning to walk when you were 30 years old, is pregnant with the baby you conceived doing something most men would kill to do.
I'm just so tired.
It's a small sacrifice compared to what she's going through. Poor thing. What with the extra 30, 35, 40?
We're done.
45?
You never saw me. Thank you very much.